guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to install this right here on your iPad. So it doesn't really matter which iPad you guys have, this is the latest one. However, if you guys have an iPad Pro or anything like that, it's going to be the same thing, same type of screen protector. So obviously the very first thing we should do is clean our screen. Make sure there's no dust at all on it, so blow some air to it. Just make sure there's no particles on it, and then we're gonna get started. Once you do that, we can get started with this guy. So we're just gonna take this off. Again, this is the back. So let's take that off. And then what we're gonna have to do in order to not get any bubbles in it is just center it. And once you guys place it right on the bottom, you guys see your home button, just focus on that. As long as you guys get the home button in there, everything else should fall in place. And just let it down slowly, slowly, slowly on the top, and just let it be. Do not touch any of the edges. At this point in time, just touch the middle. As long as you guys touch the middle, you will see this ripple effect happening where all the air is just going out. If you see these huge bubbles on the sides, that's actually a good thing. Because what we don't want is small bubbles. The big bubbles are the easiest ones to clean up. What we're gonna do is just press on them. I usually use this, but right now with your fingers, just press on them until you get them to the sides. And that's it. As long as you guys get those bubbles to the sides, it's all gonna be good. I have to mention that usually using this technique where you press in the middle, usually don't get bubbles. There are some hard bubbles to get out. I would just leave those and over time they go away, sure. But you guys can just keep pressing them out. Don't press too hard, obviously. You guys wanna go kinda easy on it. And here we go. So there's no dust underneath it. It's all installed, and that has been all installed, and it looks great. Anyways, that's the easiest way to install these screen protectors. Obviously, these type of screen protectors never actually get that much bubbles in them since it's all glass. So they do fall pretty nicely. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.